Imagine a place where millions of phones, laptops, TVs, and computers go to die. A place so massive, it can be seen stretching for miles. Where mountains of broken technology pile up like garbage. And where yesterday's latest gadget becomes tomorrow's toxic waste. But this isn't science fiction. This is real. Welcome to the world's largest e-waste graveyard. And what happens here is far darker than most people realize. Every year, the world throws away more than 50 million tons of electronic waste. Old phones, broken laptops, dead batteries, TVs nobody wants anymore. And somehow, most of it ends up in just a handful of places. Massive electronic dumping grounds hidden from the public eye. Places often called e-waste graveyards. Here, entire mountains are made from the devices people upgraded from. That old iPhone you forgot in a drawer. That broken laptop from 10 years ago. There's a chance it ended up somewhere like this, and the scale is almost impossible to understand. Imagine football fields covered in electronics. Now multiply that thousands of times. Most people think recycling means their electronics are safely processed, but reality is more complicated. After being collected, many devices are packed into giant shipping containers and exported overseas, often labeled as used electronics or second-hand goods. Some still work, many don't. Entire cargo ships carry electronic junk across oceans to countries where labor is cheaper. Why? Because dismantling electronics properly is expensive, and there's money hidden inside your trash. Gold, copper, silver, rare metals, what looks like garbage is actually valuable. Inside these graveyards, nothing is wasted. Workers spend entire days tearing apart electronics by hand. Phones are smashed open. Computer boards are stripped. Plastic is separated. Wires are burned to expose copper. And sometimes, toxic chemicals are used to recover tiny amounts of precious metals. The work is brutal, dangerous, and often incredibly unhealthy. Smoke fills the air. Heavy metals contaminate the ground. Water nearby can become polluted. And workers are exposed to toxic substances every single day. All 4 pieces of metal worth just a few dollars. Here's something shocking. Your smartphone contains real gold. Tiny amounts, but real. Inside modern electronics are gold, silver, copper, palladium, cobalt. In fact, 1 ton of discarded smartphones can contain more gold than a ton of mined ore. That's why e-waste has become a multi-billion-dollar industry. People are literally mining garbage. The modern gold rush is happening inside trash piles. But there's a hidden price. Electronic waste doesn't simply disappear. Inside devices are dangerous materials: lead, mercury, lithium, cadmium, flame retardants. When electronics are dumped or burned improperly, these toxins leak into soil, water, and air. And the environmental cost? Enormous. The faster we upgrade our technology, the bigger this problem becomes. Every new phone, every new laptop, every upgrade creates another future piece of e-waste. Some companies are trying to change things. Robots can now dismantle phones in seconds. Governments are pushing repair laws. And more people are buying refurbished electronics. Because the longer technology lasts, the less ends up here. But the truth is, the world still generates electronic waste faster than it can recycle it. And unless something changes, these graveyards will only keep growing. So, the next time you upgrade your phone, replace your laptop, or throw away old electronics, remember this: nothing truly disappears. Somewhere, there may be an entire mountain growing, built from yesterday's technology. And maybe, part of it belongs to you. Would you still upgrade every year after seeing this?